Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we are again going to continue our design pattern series, and in this video we are going to study one more structural design pattern. The name of that pattern is decorator design pattern. So decorator design pattern says that we are going to modify an object without changing its class. We are going to change the object dynamically. So let's take one simple example that you have one pizza class that is your base class, and there can be multiple things that can be added to that pizza. Let's say there can be cheese, there can be olives, there can be chicken pieces, there can be tomatoes, and there can be n number of combinations as well. Let's say someone wants to add pizza with some cheese slices and some tomato, and someone wants some pizza with olives and jalapeno. So there can be n number of combinations as well, but the base class is going to be pizza, and we are going to add all these toppings. So it means that we are going to decorate our object dynamically. So let's move to my blackboard and let's understand it deeply. Suppose we have this pizza class right now. This is my base class. This is something that is the class that is our main class that we are going to make. And now there can be n number of combinations possible. Let's say someone wants to add cheese to a pizza, someone wants to add cheese, chicken and olives, someone just wanted to add olives to it, and someone, let's say, wants to make the pizza thin crust, tomatoes, chicken, this that kind of pizza. So there are n number of combinations there, and that is something how we are going to make this whole combinations in a code. Let's understand it, what we are going to do. I made one simple example right now. Let's say the pizza cost is going to be 200, and after that, let's someone wants to add cheese, that is going to cost 30 euros. Or let's say if someone wants to add chicken, it is going to cost 40 euros. If someone wants to add olives, it is going to cost again 30 euros. If someone asks you for a normal pizza, we are just going to return pizza that is of 200, that I just mentioned it here. After that, if someone wants to get pizza plus cheese, then what is going to happen? 200 plus 30, that is going to be 230. If someone wants pizza plus cheese plus chicken plus olives, that is going to be 300, because cheese is 30, olives are of 30, and chicken is of 40, and pizza is of 200, that is going to make 300. See, if someone just wants, and if someone just want to add pizza plus olive, then it is going to be 230. That is something that we have to write in our code. Now let's move to our IntelliJ and do the code. We are going to see again a bad code and a good code. In the bad code, we will understand that what are the problems, and in the good code, we are going to solve it with the help of the decorator design pattern. So now on our IntelliJ, customer orders a pizza and wants to add extra cheese and olive. That is something that we wanted to do. We are looking for the bad code. Here you will see customer order a pizza, and what I did it here is, first of all, let's go to this pizza class. Pizza class, we have this cost function that is of 200, that I just told you the pizza's amount is 200. After that, if someone wants to add cheese to it, what I did it, I made one class pizza with cheese and extend the pizza. So what I did it, I extend this cost function. So the cost of the pizza is 200, that is super.cost, and plus 50. It means that whatever the cost of the pizza, we are adding 50 to it, because the cost of the cheese slice is going to be 50. Same with the olives. If the cost of the olives is going to be 30, we are going to add 30 to it. Super.cost plus 30. We are again extending the pizza class. Now, let's say if someone asks for the cheese pizza, then we are going to call pizza equals to new pizza with cheese, because it is going, we have this class. The only problem in this code is it is up and running, it is perfect code, but the only problem in this code is that let's say if the user wants a pizza of pizza with cheese and olive, then we have to again make a class. And let's say we have another options. Let's say if someone wants to add some jalapenos to it, then in that case also we have to make so many classes. Let's say if someone wants cheese jalapeno, someone wants olive jalapenos, olive jalapeno cheese pizza, so we have to make so many classes, so many combinations, and it is not possible. So to solve this problem, let's move to the good code and let's understand how we are going to solve it with the help of the decorator design pattern. So I have this restaurant class. From there, again, our code start. So see, first class is going to be our pizza class. So let's go to the pizza class to understand it. In that pizza class, I am having two functions, cost and the description. And you can see these pizza is implemented by the food. It means that food is an interface. So let's go to this food interface first. So food interface, that a food, it means that any kind of food can happen. So we are making it more abstract, like in our restaurant there can be multiple food and we are making a decorator design pattern on everything. Okay, like pizza with different type of toppings, and there can be burger also with different type of toppings. It is just that. So food is saying that food can contains cost and the description, and the pizza is implementing it. The cost of the pizza is 200 and the description is that it is a plain pizza. I think everything is pretty clear here. And if I go to the restaurant, what I'm doing it, I'm just printing the total cost. And it should give you 200 euros because it is, we have just designed, it is going to give you 200 euros right now. But now I want to add cheese to my pizza. So to solve this problem, we have to understand this topic decorator. We are going to make one decorator. So let's understand the steps how we are going to make a decorator. So the steps of making the decorator is going to be that we are going to first make an abstract class, abstract topping class. Second step is that we are going to, first step is going to make one abstract topping class, and secondly we are going to implement that food class. We are going to implement that food interface. It means that we are implementing the food interface means that we are implementing the pizza class. It is the same thing because food is implemented by the pizza class, and right now we have only one food. There we can also implement it by the burger. So for the generalization, we are implementing the interface food. So now when we've implemented the interface food, in our parameter we are taking the food, and in the topic decorator constructor, what we are going to do, we are setting this food equals to food. Now whenever there is going to be any topping, let's say there is a cheese topping. So whenever there is going to be any topping, cheese topping or any olive topping, it is going to take out the object of food. That is going to take the object of food. It means that that is going to take the object of pizza or a burger. So let's go to this cheese class. See here it is going to take the object of the food. So it means that we have a food object in the cheese or in our, let's say, olives class. We have olives here, so here also we have the same thing. And after that, when we have the object of food, we are going to add it to the cost, and description is going to be food description plus olives or the food description plus cheese. Now if I go to this restaurant class, here you will see that what I'm going to do, first step is a normal pizza, that is our plain pizza. After that I add cheese to it. So what I'm doing it here, I am going to pass in cheese class, I am passing pizza. Simple step. And here what is going to happen, here is olives. Now we are going to store everything into the pizza object. So now what is happening, I am going to add olives into cheese pizza. So think of this like that. The first step we are going to make pizza. Second one is going to be pizza plus cheese. And the third one is going to be, let's say, just remove that. Let's remove this line and I will say pizza plus cheese plus olive. Because we already have this pizza plus cheese. And now we are going to add one more feature to it. Pizza is our base object. We are going to add cheese and we are going to add olives. And now I added one more line, cheese and olives. It means that I want, let's say, it means that I want double cheese and double olive pizza. So it is going to be like pizza plus cheese plus olive. So can you see that how many combinations we can make with this help of this decorator pattern? Our base class is pizza that was implemented by our food interface. So again I'm going to repeat, food is our interface. And pizza is our base class that we have implemented by the food interface. And after that, we are going to make our decorator. That is our topping decorator right now. Now we will move to our topping decorator. And the steps of making it is that topping decorator is the abstract class. And that is going to implement the food interface, or you can say extend the pizza class if we only have one single food. And whenever we are going to make the cheese class, extend with the topic decorator, we are going to extend the cost function, we are going to update the description, and we'll pass the food in our constructor. This is how we are going to make our decorator pattern. So if I go to this restaurant class and if I run this code, you will see the magic. So First of all, the total cost is 200 because we are going to have a normal pizza. After that, the total cost is 250 because the cheese for the cost of adding the cheese is 50. So it is going to be 250. After that, the cost of adding the olives over pizza plus cheese. It is not a pizza plus olive. It is going to be pizza plus cheese plus olives. So it we are going to add 30. Then it is going to make 280. After that, what is going to happen? I made two objects, new cheese and the new olives. It is going to add 80 more because we have a pizza plus cheese plus olives, and we add more cheese and more olives. Then it is going to make it 360. And you know what? Let's say if I just remove it. Let's say if you're a little confused, I will just remove this line and see it will also work. Now you have a double cheese and single olive pizza. I will remove this as well. Oh, sorry. I will remove this and I will write cheese. So it means you have a double cheese pizza object. So you will just add 50 to it. And now when you will run this code, the answer will change. It will not be 360. It will be 330. So final pizza is going to be like plain pizza, cheese, olives, and the cheese. Double cheese and olive pizza, and total cost is 330. And so, did you see how amazing it is that we have one simple object and we can add n number of different behaviors to it with the help of this decorator design pattern. So, this is all for the video. I'll push this code on the GitHub and put the link into the description so that you can understand it easily. And we will meet in the next video, and bye bye.